no.
How much has it been hurting?
Very excruciating. It gets to the point that I've been out of work, and it's just excruciating pain.
And you got a wedding coming up.
Yes, I do, in Punta Cana.
Your knees and legs are hurting the most.
Yes. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being excruciating, it's probably at an 8.
Okay.
Prescribed Valium, Percocet, which I don't want to take, prednisone. The sciatic pain that's causing my leg and back. I have a degenerative disc at L5-S1. My knees and legs are most painful.
Numbness in the fingers
Periodic
and
numbness.
hands? I blame you. In a good way. And up you go. You said you don't feel like you have to hold on anything now. You're no longer dependent on that.
It's 100% better than it was when I came in here.
100% better?
Absolutely is.
Ooh.
And it's been a long time since I've been able to walk like this.
Yes?
Yes, it has. Coincidence that when I had the pain, and my girlfriend said, I think that somebody was just on Oprah Winfrey called a pain whisperer. And I said, no, not here close to Syracuse. And she was like, I think so, you should look that up. And that's how I found this.
You see? Everything happens for a reason.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And we connected immediately.
Yeah.
Oh, you did? I'm
Yes.
glad because I haven't.
Yes. When I do the Mother of the Bride dance, it's going to be all right. Can't yet. And after a while, this will be for real. Can you tell I don't know how to do that?
I know, that's why I just gave you the shoulder lead. I forced you. One more time. Final turn.
He's so silly.
Wow. You're working so much better. Yeah. Show us some attitude. Sassy. That's wonderful.
Thanks.